Hi, my beautiful stars. It's your girl, the Goddess Princess. In this video, it's gonna be a little different. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing the Modern Witch Tarot. And I don't usually do videos like this, but I just felt like, hey, why not just make a dang on video and open the deck with you guys. I love opening tarot decks, new tarot decks. I don't know why. I just love the feeling. I love the pictures. I don't know what I'm going to get. And you can just get your different feelings from the pictures, okay? But, yeah, we're going to unbox this together. And I'm trying to get the blur off of it. Hopefully that don't be a problem. So, and it just feel good to open up something new, and then also get to share that new feeling of opening something with you guys. So I guess you just pull it out right here. Oh, so it just feels so good. And then you have this. This is like the book is in there. It's just cute. This is cute. I like this. I like the packaging. And there's the cards. Here's the little booklet, to help you get through, to tell you, what each card means and the understanding of each card. We got judgment. At points in our life, we can feel like there's something pulling us to change. Judgment calls down to us in the form of benevolent angels and present us with the crossroads on her banner. So yeah, we already know the judgment is something, um, that is calling you to change. You have to judge what you're going through at that moment. But yeah, this is a nice little booklet. Okay, let's see the cards now. We got the tarot cards here. This is the front. Now with the front is not very what do you call it? Modern. It doesn't look very modern, even though it says modern witch tarot deck. To me, it doesn't look very modern, but it doesn't matter. Like I have a set of these. Oh, what this says? You are a badass being, full of life, love, and possibilities. Through this deck, may you find a path to your best self. Oh my goodness, that is a nice saying. I love it. So we have, are these upside down? Oh, okay. So we have the full card. We got the full card. And with the tarot deck, these kind of tarot cards, you get a lot of reading the energy out of the cards, dealing with these kind of cards. Cause like, okay, let me show you. I have another deck. Let me just pull out a few. I ain't gonna pull out the whole deck, but as you can see, these are more modern. This is what you call like more modern to me. See how you have the Hermit. I don't even know if you guys know this deck. This is the oh, this is the Moon, but I forgot what the deck called. Yeah, it's cause, but I use that deck a lot. The Magician. She have everything around her that she needs to manifest something into her life. You got the High Priestess. The Empress as people, some people know this as the divine feminine. The emperor. Yeah, I know the emperor is somebody who's in charge. Like, look at how she looking. Like, she ain't taking no smack. The Hierophant. One of my favorites, the Lovers. That's how you know you really talking about relationships. With the Lovers, it can go both ways though. Sometimes it can be very not so pleasing with the messages you get of someone. You know, maybe messing around, cheating. You got the Chariot. Some of these pictures are very modern when you think about it. The Strength card. The Hermit. Wanting to be alone. Like she closing her laptop. She don't want to talk to no one. We got the Wheel of Fortune. We might not be able to get through all these. This is a lot. This is one of my favorite cards as well, the Wheel of Fortune. This is the card that tell me that something is going to move into your favor, or something is going to move either way. The wheel is going to turn, and the inevitable is going to happen. It's going to happen either way. And it can either cause something to be good or bad, but most likely if it's in the upright, it's good to me. So you got the Justice. The Hanged Man. The Death card. Temperance. Patience, waiting for things to happen. The Devil card. The Tower. The Star. Hope. Having hope for something. Believing in something. Pouring your feelings and emotions into something. The Moon. Illusions. The Moon is illusions. I'm telling you guys what it means so that you can get a visual of, you know, how the card looks, you know, like, oh, illusions and stuff, and you get to see, like, what's, you know. The Sun card, happiness, joy, fulfillment. We got Judgment. The World card, something coming to an end, complete end. Ace of Wands. But these are very, very cool. I'm gonna show them like this so that you guys can at least get most of the cards and see. What's that? That's the Ace of Cups. The King of Wands. I think that was this the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands. Y'all leave y'all comments below. Let me know if you like these cards. Let me know how you feel about these cards. I'm just trying to let you guys be able to see them all, because it's to sit there and just show you what my one and my baby's waking up will be a hassle. So he's just showing you this way. Is that the Two of Pentacles? That's the Queen of Swords. King. That was the King of. That's the Knight of Swords. The Page of Swords. Ten of Swords. Nine of Swords. These are pretty cool cards. And I'm going to be using them. I'm going to be using them in my next video. I gotta break them in. Okay, you guys. We have just a few more right here. Just this look like the, that's the, I think it's the Ten of Swords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, Ten of Swords. It says everything is fine. That's weird, right? That's like when you feel, when you're broken and then you know that everything is not really fine. What's that? That's the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, that's the Knight of Pentacles. The Ten of Pentacles. Alright, you guys. That is the end of the deck. This deck, I think I'm going to enjoy this deck because the colors are very, very bright. They're very bright. And it's something about colors that just get your emotions going and your feelings going and getting that it's intuitive so you can really understand what a person is going through. But yeah, you guys, that is it. That was the unboxing. I'm feeling them. Let me know if you're feeling them in the comments. And yeah, like and subscribe to the channel. See you later, my beautiful stars.